Welcome back to our Microsoft Word tutorial series. In today's episode, we'll cover 3 essential features on Microsoft Word: selecting text, copy, cut and paste, and the find and replace feature. Now let's start. To select a text in Microsoft Word, simply click and drag your cursor over the text. For example, here we have writing session. So you want to select this writing. The first way is you drag your cursor over the text. As you can see, the word is now selected. Or you can double click on the word you want to select. For example, as you can see, we have session. If you want to select it, you can just double click on it and you have it selected. Lessons, selected. Writing, selected. Narrative, selected. So the most simplest way to select a text in Microsoft Word is you just double click on that particular word and the word will be selected. And then the second topic we are to discuss on this video is how to copy, cut and paste. After selecting the desired text, you can copy it by right clicking and selecting copy. For example, you want to copy this writing, you just select it by dragging or by double clicking on it, and then you can go to right click. You have options here, then you press copy. You can do that by your keyboard by pressing Ctrl C to copy the text, or if you want to cut a text, for example, you don't want this writing to be here, you just select it by dragging your cursor over the text and then you press Ctrl X and then that text will be cut, as you can see. So we have it cut, and then if you want to paste it, for example, you just move your cursor to the desired location and just right click and then paste. For example, we want to paste it here, so you come with your cursor. I want to paste it here, as you can see, so I will just press the right click and then paste it here, or by using the keyboard, just Ctrl V will paste that word. So these are the shortcuts that are very important for moving text around within your document. Now let's talk about the last one, but not the least, about the find and replace feature. This handy tool allows you to quickly locate specific words or phrases within your document and replace them with new ones. For example, you wrote a book or novel with 101 pages. As you can see, this novel has 101 pages. You can see it here, 101 pages. And then in this novel, you want to change this word embrace maybe to embraces with S. From embrace to embraces with S. So for you to locate all the embraces in this particular document, it will be very difficult for you. For example, we have 101 pages. It will take you a week, maybe 5 or 6 days to complete this task. But with using the find and replace feature, it will be easy for you to locate all the embraces we have in this novel and change it to embraces. How do you do it? The first step is you go to home. As you can see, when you go to home, you go to this side and you locate the replace. As you can see, we have replace, and then you select it. You see, we have these options that will appear, or we have the shortcut key for the replace feature by just pressing Ctrl H. As you can see, when you press Ctrl H, you have what you want to change. So what do you want to change in this document? Is replace, is embrace, as you can see. So you want to replace with what? With embraces with S, as you can see. Then we have more options here. You select more and then you select match case. Maybe the words are in uppercase, that's in capital letter, so you want to match the case. You select match case and then you select find whole words only. So all the word embrace in this document will be changed from embrace to embraces with S. How do you do that? After I finish that, you come here and you press replace all. Word has completed its search of the document and has made 7 replacements, as you can see. So all the word that is embraced in this document has now been changed from embrace to embraces with S. So that's the most simplest way to find and replace a word in Microsoft Word. And there you have it, 3 essential features in Microsoft Word: selecting text, copy, cut and paste, and define a replace feature. Incorporating this into your workflow will help you become a more efficient Word user. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in future episodes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share for more content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.